First cast. I saw him hit it. Woo! Stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down. What is this? Is this a little bass? Yeah. Oh, he threw me. No. We're on again. Don't jump, don't jump, stay down. No, 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 no. Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. I don't think he's hooked super well. Well, dude, you've been caught a lot, sir. Went that way. First cast, flipping right along the bank. He actually hit it almost top water. Damn, yo. Wow, he took the lure. Damn. Didn't think he would do that.